Hello guys, how are you? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome! Today we are making a delicious Italian crumbly cake called Torta Sbrisolona. Chop the almonds, leaving some aside for decoration. Add in a bowl the white flour, corn flour, sugar, a pinch of salt, chopped almonds and lemon zest. Mix well. Add 2 egg yolks and the butter cut into small pieces. Mix well with your hands, gently squeezing the butter pieces until you have a sandy mixture. Grease a baking tin with butter. Pour the mixture into the baking tin, gently leveling it off. Decorate with whole almonds. Our sbrisolona is ready.